Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you today how I made this spread, and it's highly inspired, inspired, but I used a lot of products from Maremi Small Art in this one, and it's her new Antiquario kit, paper set kit, and I really love it. It has so many beautiful cutouts in it, and I was also thinking that I wanted to try my new metallic watercolors from Panduro. They are newly bought, and I just wanted to try them to see if they are pigmented enough, and I actually like them even though they are really cheap. So you see it's a lot of different metallic colors, gold, silver and copper in different nuances. So I just tried it out, making some different spots with them, not having anything in mind particularly. So I was just thinking, why not to make some kind of background with a ruler and a fine liner pen, something fun. I'm just playing intuitively here, so I have no idea what to do. And I'm just scribbling some thoughts also with the fine liner pen to get some more interest on the background. And I'm not really sure if it's visible in the end. And this is the Antiquario kit from Maremi Small Art, and it's so pretty. So I decided to use a few of the things, and I cut them out, of course, and adding them to the spread. And I really like those kind of lanterns, hanging lanterns, and the vase kind of stuff. And I really like the word gorgiso. That's kind of Marta's thing, Marta Lapowskas, Maremi Small Art. She always says gorgiso, and I like that. These are some more cutouts from the kit that I want to put somewhere. And you see, it doesn't take that much to get something pretty. And I really like those rice papers with words or quotes on them. So I think I want to use those. And I'm using my transparent gesso to add it, as I often do. It's my homemade transparent gesso. And what does it say? A creative mess is better than idle tidiness. Yeah, that may be true. I like creative messes. And the other one says, chaos on paper brings me peace of mind. And that is also true. I'm just using some stamps here. I think they are from Stampendes, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just using them with black ink. I'm also shading, of course, because it's me. So I love to shade with my Inktense pen from Derwent. I'm using the black one today. It's either the black one or the bark one that I use for shading. Bark is kind of dark brown, but here I wanted black because it goes with the page. It's kind of gray and black. I'm trying to make the edges around the spread black with my distress crayon from Tim Holtz, but it's kind of finished, so I managed to get a little bit out of it. Anyway, I'm too lazy to find something else. And my Posca pen to make some black splashes, and it's done. And I really love this. actually. I really do. I enjoyed making it, and the pretty things from Marta makes it also easy, I believe. So I hope you enjoyed this and got somewhat inspired or something. So yeah, I liked making it anyway. And if you're interested, you can subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of videos, and I put out a lot of videos also. If you want to see more, they are usually sped up and with voiceovers, so not always, but mostly. And give me a like and maybe a comment also. It makes me happy. And stay safe out there and take care. Bye.